Hello guys, welcome to the new vlog. My name is Makado. Guys, I'm going to the mall. I'm going to send this parcel to Usiam Tanda, and I think I'm gonna take content. Yeah, I hope it's not gonna be full, but I'm early. So yeah, let's go. Asambe. Hi guys, hello again. Guys, I didn't take too much time at the mall, but when I got back, I got busy. Sorry guys, Mr. B's on the phone somewhere here. I'm sorry about that. So when I got back, I ate. Then after that, and I was a little bit tired, but yeah, I'm only recording now and it's a bit late. So I went to Pep. So remember I said I'm going to send Siantanda's parcel. So yeah, this is what I also bought. This is what I bought from Pep. I bought this ice tray. This was 24.99 cents. 2468. Oh, okay, not bad. Oh, this is broken. Can you see, guys? And I didn't see. Can you see here? This is broken, guys. Ish. I'll see. I might return. I'm not sure. I also bought this plastic pad. $24.99. Oh, shower cap. This one rents 9 cents. I also bought the gloves, and this was 16.99 cents. And I bought this again. The Alu roll-on. I'm in love with it, eh? I'm in love with it. So I bought it again. So that's all from Pep. So I also went to Food Lovers Market. I bought eggs from Food Lovers, lettuce, cucumber. I didn't buy a lot of things. Tomatoes, favorite. And also pineapple. This was 20 rands. And most of the items here, I think they were 10 rand, 10 rand, 10 rand. Onions. And then from Food Lovers, I went to Westpac. I saw the advert on YouTube. Sorry about that, guys. I had to put my phone in the fridge first because it was too hot. When I catch you, me company. So my phone was too hot. I was still saying to you guys, I saw the advert on YouTube for these toilet papers. So 2 of these, they're 18 inside. So 2 of these packets, how much was it? How much was it? It was, yeah, 189.99 cents. So I bought 2 of these, plus it's festives. And there's some things that I don't like going to the shops every month to buy. And I think we're gonna have visitors during festives. So I decided to also buy 2 of these. I think I've saved something like 40 rands. Yeah, they don't perish, so it's fine. I'll just throw them in the house because we still have another packet, but it's already opened. So that's all for today, guys. I guess I'll see you guys I want to mind this when I speak, but I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, that's all for today. I want to tidy up the kitchen, and then I think I'm gonna eat the noodles, or I'm just gonna warm up the food from the fridge. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna eat noodles and achar and a bit of sauce. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, just for today. This is not the end of the vlog. Okay, bye, guys.
But now, then I see Christine Gama, I see KMs. I'm like, this is interesting. I'm actually enjoying this thing. But now the problem is all these people are young.
And you at what age at this point?
I am not at their age.
But what age were you at that point?
I was, I'm 47 now, turning 48 next month.
That's okay.
guys, and the macharoni. Is it still morning? Yes, it's still morning. Guys, yesterday I didn't say anything. I was just showing you the roads. But anyways, yesterday we went to China Mall, but it was raining. I didn't vlog. We went to China Mall, and then from China Mall we went to Campus Square. There was something that I wanted to change, and we also went to Cresta, and we enjoyed the drive that side, and we were also listening to Auntie T. But we didn't finish her interview, but it was very nice. So yeah, so right now I'm going to Pep. I'm going to send the client stuff. I'm also going to, guys, I wanna return or exchange this ice cube tray. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can see. Can you see? It's broken here, and I think I bought it like this, just that I didn't see. So I wanna try and exchange this. I hope they're gonna allow me. But I'm gonna start at Chamdo. I want to buy material. I want to make my own dress. I'm gonna be going to a wedding in about 2 weeks time, so I want to make my own dress. I don't have money to get like professional designers to make a dress, so I was like, I'll just make my own dress. That's a nice simple dress, you know. So yes, guys. Let's go. I'm not sure. Ooh, the music. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog that side, but yeah, let's go, guys. It's not that hot. It is hot, but it's not that bad. Maybe it's because it's still morning. I'm not sure, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yes, let's go, guys. Let's go.